All right, so in this video, we're going to go ahead and set up our very first Trello account. So I've already entered my information. You can go to Trello.com. I'll include a link in the description below. So you just basically enter your name, email address, and your password. And I'm going to go ahead and click Create New Account. And that is going to bring us here. See, let us know how you want to personalize it. So, and you can use this for so many different things, but for the sake of this illustration in this video, we're going to choose travel. All right. So I want to use this board for traveling. I want to dive right in, or you can click the help option, but I'm going to go ahead and dive right in because I'm going to show you some things. So what it does based on the boards that you clicked previously, because you saw they had other ones like engineering or whatever, it will give you a sample board, right, just to get started. So I'm going to go through the anatomy of what a board is. So basically, your boards live up here. Right now, we don't really have anything. And these are considered your list. So you have a list here, a list here, a list here, a list here. And as you see here, you can add another list. And I'll go into further detail on what you can do with the boards, cards, and lists in a different video. Right now, I just want to show you the basics, the anatomy of it. So the vertical items are your list. These individual items are considered your cards, right? So this one right here, they already have that says, you know, how to use this board. I'm going to click on it. And so there are different labels in here where you can make it easier to see what's happening with this particular card. You can add your descriptions in here, comments. You can add people, so you can add members. You can basically search for people, add them there. These are the labels of different colors. You can add checklists, due dates. So say if you're planning a trip for a certain date, or you're planning, say, the deposit for the hotel, and you know you need to confer with your family or friends, but you need to make a decision by Friday or whatever date, you just click that, save it, and you see now we have this due date that's been added. You can add attachments, so if you have confirmations, or if you have PDF forms of your passport, other things like that, you can add those things as well. You have the option to move the card, copy it if you want to make a duplicate of it and modify it, but keep the contents of the original one. You can watch this as a member. So say if you have 3 or 4 people in your party or in your family who is sharing this board, they can watch this, so they'll get notified. Just like in social media, you type at whatever the person's name is. I don't have any members on here right now, but just like social media, at whoever, at mom, at dad, at daughter, or whatever their screen name is, and they'll get notified just like they do on social media. You also have the option to share this board. So, and actually I'm going to do that for you as well. Not this particular board here, but I have a different one that I'll share with you guys, and that'll be in the description below, where it'll basically go ahead and get you jump started, because these are pretty basic. And the cool thing is you can change the title. So, you know, to do before trip, done, to do in Hawaii, or depending on where you want to go, you can say to do in Paris, or to do in Thailand, and just click, boom, and it's done. So super easy. Really functional. What I love about it is the flexibility of it, which I'm going to show in another video. You can utilize this when you're on the web, on your computer, or they actually have apps as well that you can download. So if you go to the App Store or Google Play, you can download the app for your phone. Now, the cool thing is, and what I love about it is, if you're searching online and say you have ideas of places that you want to stay, or activities that you want to do, you can import those into your board directly inside, whether you're on the web, on a laptop like I am now, or from your phone. And again, I'm going to show you that in the following video. I'm going to go a lot more into detail so you can see that. But this video is basically just to get you started. This board is private. You could make it available to your team. A lot of people use Trello for work. I actually use Trello for work for my virtual assistants. If you have a business, you can set it up for your organization, or you can make it public where it's available to everybody. And I mean everybody. Everybody on the internet could pretty much find your board. So And I'm going to create a public one for you guys as well. So that link will be in the description below. You can invite people, so enter the email address, or if they're already on Trello, you basically just put their name in and they'll be invited to this board, and then they'll be able to collaborate, and they can add cards as well. They can also be notified when comments are on there. So say if you guys want to vote for a particular hotel, say, hey, I'm trying to choose between 2 or 3 hotels. Which one do you think we should pick? People can vote on each one that way. All right. So just wanted to create this video to show you some of the flexibility of this. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to move around and how you can really manipulate the list and cards and make them function the way you want them to function for you on your trip. All right. See you in the next video.